It's your boy TK here, back with another video. I don't know if y'all remember, I used to have a Hyundai Veloster, but this is not a Veloster N. This is a Hyundai Elantra N. These are some hot four-door sedans. Obviously, there's a back server behind it. And my favorite part about these is the exhaust here and the crackles and pops from a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder. Y'all want to miss out? Check it out. Everybody, I'm gonna introduce my buddy Eben. This is his personal car. Hey Eben, what got you into liking Hyundais, especially this Elantra N you got here?
Well, actually, first starting off, I actually did not like Hyundais at all. I grew up with the stigma of them being cheap Korean cars, and then I actually test drove this. I test drove this and the Civic Type R, and this one just felt more balanced around turns. The sound of it is absolutely amazing. It's addicting, and it's just so well put together. On the inside, you'll see the operating system and everything like that. It's like a C7 Corvette and everything like that, and it's just the way it handles is just amazing.
Absolutely, and I can agree 100%. Me coming from a former Hyundai owner myself, these are some well-balanced, sophisticated cars, and they can rival the best of the best, especially from a, like you say, a Honda Civic Type R.
And a price point per dollar sign, you can't get much better than that. $20,000 less than a Civic Type R and keeps up with it.
I feel you.
Yeah.
Good old 2-liter Theta, that's that Theta 3 or Theta 2 generation motor. I know you can't really see the turbos. It's wrapped around the heat shield, but it's right there.
Just a little bit bigger than the Veloster Hamster.
Yes, it is. That's what they did different with this one compared to that one. And I see you got a 6-element air intake.
Yeah, with a 6-element tune.
Okay. Well, I've been hearing a lot of people get this set up in a tune, and it just wake this car up.
Yeah, it's about currently it's about 330 to the wheel.
Okay.
Once I get my intercooler and downpipe, we're gonna push it to about 350 wheel.
Oh, that thing gonna be a monster, you know, for being a front-wheel drive 4-cylinder.
Yeah, wheel hop on this thing is insane.
All of them are like that. Even the Veloster, nothing new. All right, now the interior shot. I mean, that's the N button right here. That's basically to select your drive modes. Obviously, you can hit the button and put it in N mode. That's their screen right there. Or you can just simply put it in N mode after you press that button. And this particular one has the 8-speed dual clutch transmission, but it's optional with a 6-speed manual. And you see the paddle shifters. My favorite part about the interior is these sport bucket seats that are designed with this particular car in the Veloster. And I like this feature that it glows up, it lights up.
We about to piss off a couple people.
Oh wow. Appreciate you giving me a ride on your Hyundai Elantra N today. You already know right with the back, these are fun cars. I mean, they handle so good, like, you know, for the price point it's at. I don't think no other car for this particular price point comes close.
Right, because the Civic Si is actually in the price point, and the Volkswagen GLI,
yeah,
not the GTI. The GTI is actually more expensive than this. And still, with everything in the price point of the Elantra N, there's nothing that compares to it.
Exactly, man, and that's why this car holds its own, and for the value, and you get every, you know, it's a bang for your buck.
Oh yeah.
So I see why you went this route versus going Civic Si or Volkswagen Jetta GLI. I see why. So this one works adequate. Well, such a beautiful day, as y'all can see. That was a fun ride along. I really like these Hyundai Elantra ends. And shout out to my guy Eben for giving me a ride. But you know what? That's gonna wrap it up for today. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.